To Melva and Hendrik, I love you both and I hope you will have a very pleasant life and a happy life. See you soon.
Melva and Hendrik, very nice to be here today and see some of your traditions earlier. Looking forward to dinner and seeing what happens in the future. I wish you both well, wish you both luck with your marriage, and I hope you will take care of each other. Congratulations.
Melva and Hendrik. In a few years it is Mel and Hen, because if you're a couple, you know, you grow to each other and then become like that. I wish you lots of luck, and I hope you will come to see me in the Netherlands. You always will be welcome. I will offer you my house, and if you have children, let's see how much it will be, but 2 will be okay. And I hope to see you soon, and lots of luck.
Oh, hi. Wish you all the best in the world, and really, you should have been here now, but that's okay, we're used to it. Good luck for everything.
Halo, happy wedding Melva dan Hendrik. Bahagia selalu. Cepat punya ngomongan yang akur-akur. Amin. Hai Mel, hai Hen. Senang ya dengerinnya akhirnya. Sampai selama ini datang juga waktunya. All the best. Ini yang terbaik yang Tuhan kasih. So, sampai Tuhan memisahkan. Yuk. Amin.
Kak Melva, family, thank you God. Semoga Kak Mel sama Kak Hendrik bahagia selalu. Semoga menjadi awal yang indah, menjadi awal yang baru, meskipun ada sedikit sesuatu yang menegangkan hati. Tetap semangat untuk hari ke depan. Kak Mel, Hendrik bahagia selalu. Amin. Doakan saya.
Halo Melva, selamat menempuh hidup baru. Semoga kedepannya sukses selalu dan rumah tangganya bertahan sampai kakek dan nenek. Terima kasih.
Hai Melva, selamat menempuh hidup baru. Semoga bahagia terus dan selalu menjadi berkat serta sukacita untuk orang-orang di sekitar. Terima kasih, bye.